How to enable or disable email notifications in your Shake Shack account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to control your Shake Shack email updates, well here is how to manage notifications online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can then just click on the search bar and simply search Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, simply log in with a credential and once logged in, you can then just click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then select account settings. And from there, you can simply scroll down to the email notifications or communication preferences and there you can toggle on or off different types of emails like promotions, order, updates, and reward notification. And there, make sure to save changes after adjusting your preferences so your choices will be applied. And that's it. That's how you can enable or disable email notifications in your Shake Shack account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.